After you get a fresh cut, as you can see, looking nice, you need to moisturize because you're supposed to wash your hair the night before or the day of when you get your haircut. You don't want to wash your hair after you get a haircut because you see this blackout, not all natural, I know, but that you're getting rid of that. And if you're woven, even if you have a little bit of hair in your head, you're ruining your lineup when you wash it after you get a haircut. So wash the night before. So now you need to moisturize your hair. After I get a haircut, I like to use a butter or a moisturizer and a sealant oil because I like to use penetrative oils during my washing style and use healthy products for my hair, like healthy shampoos, healthy shampoo bars, healthy oils. So first thing you do, you put some butter in your hair and then you brush for around 5 to 10 minutes with a soft brush or medium soft brush. I wouldn't recommend lifting your hair up with a hard brush because you don't want to mess up your hairline much. I'm moving, but not that much. Just want to make sure I get on my crown. Don't want to neglect the crown. Legit, the most important part of waving is your crown. Then with the rest, on a quarter size, down size, rub it in your hand just till it turns into oil. You want to apply. Now I'm going to take my soft brush and brush for around 5 to 10 minutes. Now when you're brushing, you see this? It's important not to go all the way down to your hairline. I don't brush to my hairline after I get a lineup for around 3 to 4 days, just to preserve the lineup. The less you mess with it, the longer it will last. Especially if you're going out later tonight or later the day of when you get your haircut. Don't want to instantly mess up the lineup, mess up the blackout. I'm gonna brush to like right here, so you can see. It's kind of difficult to do that, so a lot of the times I like to do the hat man method. I'll make a video on that soon when I'm gonna a haircut. Just brush the product in. Oh, and this is not for when you're cutting down your wolf. This is just for a lineup. But this also applies to when you cut down your wolf. Okay, after around 5 minutes, I want to get your sealant oil. Sealant oil. Put it on the dime size. Ooh, that's too much. Dang it. I felt way too much. You know what? I don't have any products in my hair. Let's just put it all in there, man. Don't go to your hairline. Put it all in there. Hair will be moisturized for about a week. Now you want to go in with your soft brush for another 5 to 10 minutes. Now watch this video right here to learn how you're supposed to brush your hair tonight. Thanks for watching. God bless.